Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive on PC. Now, if you are using Google Drive mostly for web browsing or using Chrome or whatever browser that you're using, there's actually a way for you to put this native to your PC, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is Home in Google Drive. What you're going to do is head over to this particular settings icon right here, click that one, and click Get Drive for Desktop. Now it's gonna show you this download button right here, download drive for desktop. You're just going to go ahead and click that one and then download this particular file. Now it may say it's unverified, but don't worry guys, this is Google to Google. All right, now that it's downloaded, I'm gonna go ahead and install this one really quick. I'm just going to go ahead and start the installation process, clicking or checking those two check icon, and then tap the launch button. And there you go. Go ahead and click the get started one. Let's remove this one. We don't need it as of the moment. All right, let's go back. All right, and then we can go ahead and click sign in. So from this point forward, go ahead and choose your particular account, and then I'm going to click sign in once again. And yeah, it says this is successful. We're going to head back here. Oops, seems like now that is closed already. And yeah, as you can see here, there's an option to sync with Google Drive, though this is an optional. So yeah, it's up to you if you want to do that one. I'm just going to go ahead and skip this entire process. And yeah, see drive files in File Explorer, click next, and then let's go ahead and open our drive. Oops. Before this one, let's go ahead and try to open File Explorer, and then from here, we're gonna go ahead and look for this PC. So if you head over to this PC, you should be able to see here your Google Drive. Click that one, click My Drive. So this is my drive right here. As you can see, every folders I go to, I should be able to see here all the files that I have. Now, obviously, this is just a sample one, so you're not seeing other than the folders that I have just added. Yep, if you wanna head over down here, you should be able to see Google Drive here as well. So go ahead and open this one, and there you go. Sync activities, if there is anything that is happening. For example, if I'm gonna go ahead and try to put some files here, let's go ahead and add Google Docs, and let's just name this one sample file. And there you go. So it has finally synced. Again, everybody, that is how you're going to use Google Drive on your PC.